Hi friends, today I am going to discuss law in that capacity to contract. Okay friends, let's move on into the chapter and see there must be a legal ability to enter into a contract. Okay, legal ability. The age of majority determined in Indian Majority Act 1875. Okay, section 3 of Indian Majority Act 1875. Law of domicile. Law of domicile means nationality. Okay, nationality. According to Guardian and Ward Act, Guardian and Wards Act 1890, age is 21 years. Okay, as per section 10, entering into minors agreement void. Okay, minor cannot become promisor. Minor cannot become promisor, but minor can become joint promisor. Become joint promisor along with major person. Okay, the major person can be forced to perform entire promise. Okay, and see a person enter into contract in minor's age. After he attain major age, the same promise means old promise again enter with like new promise. Okay, the promise is void because there is no consideration moving from other party. Okay, if a person enter into a contract in minor age, after he attain major age, the same promise means old promise again enter with like new promise. The promise is void because there is no consideration moving from other party. Okay, and see doctrine of estoppel does not apply to minor, does not apply as per section 115 Indian Evidence Act. Okay, see doctrine of estoppel means, for example, A told to B she wants to buy 100 kg of rice for her daughter marriage. Okay, she was present at the time but he was silent. Then she bind to this contract. Okay, and see a minor can become partner in existing firm for the benefits with the consent of all other partners. Okay, and minor cannot participate in day-to-day activities of the firm. Minor can inspect account books of partners. Okay, minor can become partner in existing firm for the benefits with the consent of all other partners, and minor cannot participate in day-to-day activities. Day-to-day activities cannot participate. Okay, minor can inspect books of accounts, can inspect. Okay, and also minor liability is limited. And say the next one, restitution. It means return the benefit received under contract. And say pledge only for movable property. Okay, and see minor cannot become promisor. And see if a person necessaries to a minor, his property is liable, he is not personally liable. If a person provides necessaries to a minor, his property liable, he is not personally liable. Okay, and see when a document is created by minor, document is created by minor, and major, when a document is created by minor and major, the document is void in respect of minor to purchase immovable property. Okay. And see, guardian. Guardian of minor has no power to bind the minor by a contract for purchase of immovable property. Okay. Minor can enter into a contract on the name of guardian. Okay. Before 1929, guardian has right to marriage minors. Okay, marriage. And see, as per section 21 1961, membership in a trade union. 15 years members of a registered trade union provide the rules of trade union. Okay. And see, contract of apprenticeship. Contract of apprenticeship means training. As per 1961, 14 years age and be physical fit. Okay, physical fit. And see the next, idiot. Permanent unsound mind. Permanent unsound mind. Okay. And the next, lunacy or insanity. Temporary. Okay. Temporary. Lunacy means lunatic person, means mental disaster. Okay. That means lucid intervals. He can enter into a contract. Okay. See, for example, drunkard. Drunkard or toxicant. Drunkard or toxicant. Next, delirious person, high fever. Okay, high fever. And next, hypnotized person. Hypnotized person. And the next, mental delay. Mental delay. This type of person enter at the moment of these times, then contract void. Okay. And see, disqualification. Disqualification under law. See, alien enemy. Alien enemy. During war. During war, void. Contract during war, void. Okay. Wait for up to peace. Wait for up to peace. Then valid. Okay. And see the next, foreign sovereigns diplomatic staff. In this case, cannot sue the other country people because they are guests. Okay. And the next, if they accept in Indian court, then the court will punish. Okay. And see the next, insolvent. Official receiver. Official receiver. Insolvent property lie in the hands of him. Official receiver means insolvent property lie in the hands of him. Okay. They can't enter into contract until they receive certificate of discharge. Certificate of discharge. Official receiver means insolvent property lie in the hands of him. Okay. They can't enter into a contract until they receive certificate of discharge. Okay. And see the next, convicts. During imprisonment. Convicts during imprisonment. He cannot enter into contract. He get license. Ticket of leave. Okay. Convicts means during imprisonment he cannot enter into contract. Okay. he get license, ticket of leave, then he can enter into a contract. He released from jail, pardon, or end of the period of sentence. Okay, and see, time barred debt. At the time of imprisonment, not considered. Okay, time barred debt at the time of imprisonment, not considered. After releasing day, then the counting year start. Okay, and the next, corporation and companies. Any contract made beyond memorandum is void. And say next, necessaries. Necessaries means food, clothing, housing, education expenses, medical expenses, legal expenses for defending a minor in some civil or criminal proceedings. And the next, funeral expenses of his deceased family members, marriage expenses of a dependent female member in the family, and Diwali puja expenses, etc. Okay, and see, loan granted to purchase necessaries of competent persons. Loan granted to purchase necessaries of incompetent persons. Incompetent persons under section 68. Okay, the liability to pay for necessaries is a quasi contractual liability. Okay, quasi contractual liability. And see, if necessaries are luxury, then he cannot bind to pay money. Okay, necessaries provided to the persons incompetent, then collect from his estate but not liable to pay personally. Okay, collect from his estate but he is not liable to pay personally. If this person has no property, then he cannot claim. Okay, and see, the contract benefit to minor, then it is valid, he can enforce it. Okay, and see, if minor enter into a contract by saying major, the contracting party recover if it is traceable in the hands. Okay, but minor spend it to another, he can't recover. For example, minor purchase a car by saying he is major. Okay, the contracting party recover if it is traceable in the hands of minor. Okay, but minor spend it to another, he can't recover. And see the next one, intoxicated person. Intoxicated person means drunk or intoxicated by any drug. Okay, and see the next, company and corporations can enter into a contract through their agents. Okay, such as board of directors. Company and corporations can enter into a contract through their agencies such as board of directors. Okay, any act done by company outside the scope of memorandum is void. Outside the scope of memorandum, void. Okay, and ultra virus. Okay, and see the next, the period of sentence is not taken into account in calculating the period of limitation under the Limitation Act. Okay, and see the next one, a contract with unsound mind is voidable. Okay, as per English law, unsound mind is voidable. A contract with unsound mind is voidable as per English law. Okay friends, I hope this chapter is clear for you. If you have any doubt, then comment me. Okay friends, all the best, do well, prepare well, bye bye.